Welcome back, everybody. We're the Transport Bandits. I'm Cheryl.
I'm Mr. Dimples.
And we are inviting you for this ride along across Kansas on Highway 56. From the southwest corner of Kansas all the way to the northeast corner of Kansas. Take a look at this beautiful scenery. Hope you enjoy. Okay, we're fixing to head into Dodge City.
As you can see, the sun's setting behind us.
Sun.
Yeah, sun. Too bad you can't see me, my pretty face.
I can see your pretty face.
We're going to Dodge City.
Going to Dodge. And then what are we going to do?
We're going to go to Casey's Cowtown Club and get some cows.
There might be vegetarians watching our videos.
Well, then they need to unsubscribe.
They don't think they're subscribed. Don't say that. We eat steak. I appreciate all people's opinions and views, but I'm gonna eat a steak.
Yep.
In Dodge
Casey's
City.
Cowtown, I'm going to eat a giant steak. If you like steak or some other type of meat, reach over there and subscribe.
If you like steak, go ahead and subscribe because you're not going to want to miss the upcoming footage. Stay tuned.
But they already saw us at the Big Texan. So, if they're vegetarians, then they don't mind us eating steak.
Yeah.
Hey, you can see me.
Yeah, the sun shifting a little bit there. You should see this awesome lighting that we have right now on Highway 56 across Kansas, coming into Dodge City.
So I'm sure you'll see Dodge City in a minute. Video and possibly Casey's Cowtown Club.
Yum. Let's check it out.
We'll see. We'll see if it's as good as Paul Mitchell's. And we'll see if it's as good as the Big Texan. Or even if it's as good as, say, something like
Texas Roadhouse.
Texas Roadhouse.
Yum, yum, yum.
I don't know. We'll see. But they got plenty of cows here.
They got a lot of cows in
So they ought to
Kansas.
have choice beef.
A lot of cows. But check out this awesome lighting. It's really cool.
Bye.
Bye.
He doesn't care if the sun is shining on him or if he's wet or snowing on him. He don't care if the wind blows him over sideways. He just don't care.
You don't care, Mr. Bones? If you light yourself beautifully. You know why? He's dead. What did we order?
Cowtown strip.
Okay, Jeff, what did we order?
I don't know.
Okay, Jeff, what did we order?
Dodge City strip.
Hey, these people in the back said this is going to be the best steak we ever ate. Hey, we're going to talk a little bit of history here.
Okay, do you know who Fred Mueller was?
Fred Mueller sounds awfully familiar.
Well, if you're a cowboy, a saddle guy, you'll know this saddle was made by Fred Mueller, who was a famous saddle maker in the late 1800s, early 1900s in the Denver area. So if you rode a Fred Mueller saddle, that was like owning a Cadillac. There's the logo right there.
Look at that right there. A Fred Mueller saddle.
Yeah.
Right there.
The next piece of history on the saddle was it was owned by Marshall House. Do you know who Marshall House was? Okay, that's this guy standing here with James Arness. He was the last
I know James Arness.
U.S. Marshal of Dodge City, Kansas. The next piece of history on that is he wrote it in John Kennedy's inaugural parade. Do you know who John Kennedy was?
Yes. The president,
Yeah.
John Kennedy. I thought this was a trick question. I was like, wait, is it not the president he's talking about?
The next piece of history was he wrote that in John Kennedy's inaugural parade.
Oh, what?
So, but I would say 70% of high school students today don't know who John F. Kennedy was.
Oh, I really did think you were throwing a trick question at me. I was like, John Kennedy, yeah, that's the president. And he's like, who do you know who he is? I was like,
Yeah,
wait.
the last question is, do you know where John Kennedy was shot?
In Dallas, Texas?
Yeah.
No, he was shot in the head. He was
Oh,
in Dallas.
okay, all right.
He was in Dallas when he got shot.
Okay.
I didn't ask you where was he when he got shot. I asked you where was he shot.
Where was he shot?
Right there, he threw you trick.
Okay, one more thing in case
Okay.
my phone didn't work right.
Okay.
All right. Hey, we're here with the owner of,
Casey's Cowtown.
and your name is?
Mike Casey.
And what'd you say about getting a good steak?
Don't go to Applebee's. Come on south the tracks.
Yeah,
Get south of the deadline.
You said there was plenty of cows around
Yeah,
here,
we slaughter about 10,000 head of cattle a day.
right?
so-
See?
If you're buying a bad steak, you're in the wrong restaurant.
That's right. You want
That's
a
it.
good steak, come here. All you transporters coming through Dodge City,
Stop here. This
Stop
is where
here.
you want to eat, right here.
because I'm telling you, I didn't take
Casey's
one. It was
Cowtown Club.
So,
delicious. And subscribe. Thank you. Hey,
That's neat.
tell
Thank you.
them to subscribe.
subscribe to this guy. He seems to be all right.
Hey, you can't get a better endorsement than that.
Yeah.
This is Carl that we met here at Casey's Cowtown Club. Best steaks in Dodge City. And you know what? This has made this one fun trip because we met Carl and his wife Cindy, and it made it an evening we will never
Been a great
forget.
day. That man is a veteran, and he's a biker, so he can't be all bad.
It's awesome. And the stories he's given us tonight has made it worth it to stop here, even if we didn't have the steak.
How often do you see this guy here?
Oh, probably 3 or 4 times a week.
All All right. If I lived here, you'd see me 3 or 4 times a
He
week.
used to
too.
be a hell of a skier too.
There wasn't a tree safe on the run.
That's right.
All right. Well, thank you for having us here, and thank you for giving us a delicious dinner and great conversation.
You're welcome.
I'm
Thanks for
sure I
stopping.
just sold you about 700 steaks.
Tell them to check that off when they come in. When we hit 700, I'll just make you a hell of a deal.
There you go. Yep. Good morning from Dodge City, Kansas. We had a great dinner last night, didn't we?
We did. We had so much fun. Met a couple other bikers. They sat with us and we swapped stories and ate steak. And met the owner of Casey's Cowtown.
It was good. That place is great. If you're in
Delicious.
Dodge City, stop at Casey's Cowtown Club.
It was really funny when he told me that. I told him about the great steak, and he said, "Well, if you're in Dodge City, if you're eating a bad steak, you're at Applebee's."
So we're going to ride past Boot Hill. It's a little early in the morning for them to be open.
Yeah, but what Cheryl doesn't realize is I'm now a steak fanatic. I've got like a steak frenzy going on. So I'm in a feeding frenzy for steak. And so I'm looking for steak breakfast.
Well, on this trip, he's had the Big Texan, and now you've had the Casey's Cowtown Club. So, yeah, there goes all our profits in steak dinners. Okay, join us on our trip through the rest of Kansas. Today on Highway 56 and up through the northeast corner, correctly?
I would even settle for a steak biscuit from Hardee's.
All right, let's show you a few pictures of Boot Hill before we stop at Hardee's and get a steak biscuit. Okay. Take a look at this. All right, here's Boot Hill, Mr. Bones. What do you think? He doesn't care. He's already dead. You'll pass a few of these trucks in Kansas. This is a wind turbine wing. Coming into Salina, Kansas. Okay, let's try Hickory Hut Serious Barbecue. Okay, what do you think?
It's delicious.
It is really good ribs. This is some of the best barbecue we've ever had. Right here at the Hickory Hut Barbecue in Salina, Kansas. Was that good?
Oh man, was it ever good.
It It was awesome barbecue. Oh my gosh, it was so good.
That's the
Now we're
fun,
so stuffed.
That's the fun side of RVing right there. Find a cool place to ski.
It is.
Because I liked it.
Nobody likes eating better than Jeff. All right, we're hitting the road again. And we'll show you some more scenery. Check it out.
Well, I'm stuffed now. I may not make it.
Are you gonna die? You're gonna make it. You're not gonna die, are you?
I don't know. I even had to let Cheryl drive. Stuff's so full. So on my tombstone, Cheryl's gonna write, he liked steak and he liked barbecue, but he liked them a little too much. That's all. Mr. Dimple's out.